Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to use this Macropad. So first we'll have to connect this Macropad with the USB Type-C cable. So you can see it is Type-C. So just plug it in. So once you plug it in, so wait for some time. It will show up the mode, right? So if you check the display, so you can see currently it is in macro mode only. So this key is the down key. This one is the up key. So this is the OK button. So I'm in first you have to go to the Macromat. So it will be the first option. So I'm just clicking that. So now we are in macro mode, right? So then if I start pressing this any of this button, so the macro will be activated. So you can see my PC. So I'm just pressing it down. So you can see. So this is the volume up, volume down, and there is mute button. So this is the lock button. So you can see the PC has been locked, right? So this is how it is. So to go back, so you'll have to press these two button again. So it goes back to the previous menu, right? Now we'll see how to configure this in the PC. So you'll have to head down to this web page. So you can see right the Dyson layers github.io/picopad. So this is given in the description. So once you go there, you will have to select your board model here. I am selecting the Pro. So you can see it is the reference is given here. Then click on connect. Right, once you connect this, so it will show up in the basically you have to go to your my computer and select the drive that is showing. So once you connect the device, it will show as a storage drive. So just select this. It will ask for a pop-up. Just click OK, allow this. Right, once it is connected, you can again change the model back to Pro. Right. So you can see whatever the keys that we have configured, right? So these keys are showing now. So you can click on them and change them. And also you can have a new profile also. Let's say I'm creating specific profile for coding, right? So I'm just putting it as developer mode, whatever it is. I'm just putting it as coding now. So just create this. Once it is created, you can see there are all the keys are now empty. So you can configure them however you want. So let's say I want to open VS Code by pressing this one key, right, or the first button. So which is the you can see so this button. So basically I'm just selecting here. Then I'll simply putting it as VS Code. So to open VS Code, we'll have to have multiple action sequences. So all the references are given in the help page. What are the options you can do? So first we'll have to go open our command prompt. So I'm just putting GUI or then we'll have to wait for a second. I'm just putting it as 1 second. You can make it one. Then I'm going to type VS Code. Right? You can see I'm putting VS Code. Then I'm going to have enter. Right? Once this is done, so I'm just saving this. So it is saved successfully. So now what I will do is I'll go to the macro mode. So I'm just going to the macro mode. So currently in the coding profile, you can see if I click this, it will go to the default and also it is switching back to the coding. So currently we are in coding mode. If I click this button, just watch out for the PC. So if I click this, you can see it is trying to open VS Code, right? So I think I have it wrongly configured. It is just the code, I believe. Let me double check. Yes, it is only code. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to change this to code and save again. So once you saved it, it will restart. So you can see it is restarted. So if I go back to my macros, you can see currently in a coding mode, right? If I click this again, so watch out for the PC. So you can see it is opening VS Code. So that's how you can utilize each of the keys and have multiple profiles and can easily switch it using this dedicated key. So if you are interested in this product, so you can check the description. It is available in Amazon, and also you can directly contact us. We'll be shipping it to you anywhere across India. Okay. Thanks, guys, and have a nice day. Bye.